Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Arlec video. Today we will be showing you this Arlec 1500 watt ceramic fan heater. The heater is ideal for heating small rooms or offices. The heater is a fan only and has two power settings, 1000 watts and 1500 watts, with adjustable thermostat control. This ensures you have ultimate control over the temperature of your room. This trendy design includes a sleek carry handle, making portability from room to room effortless. The wide-angle oscillation feature of this heater distributes heat evenly. In addition, there are two rotating control switches. Our power control switch here, which determines whether the fan is off, on, or oscillating, and a thermostat control here, which helps to regulate the room to its desired temperature. For your safety, the heater includes an inbuilt tip-over switch, whereby if your unit is knocked over, the power will automatically be cut off. In addition, an overheat protection device will shut off the heater in the event of overheating. Remember, when using the heater for the first time, remove all the packaging material, unwind the cord to its full length, and place the heater in a level and upright position. If you have any further questions, please see the contact details at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you are staying warm with your new Arlec fan heater.